Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of flatbed tow trucks, also known as rollbacks or light-duty carriers. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, understanding the right way to load and unload can make all the difference in keeping your equipment in top shape and ensuring your safety. First things first, lighting is key. Some of you might have trucks that light up like a concert, while others stick to basic beacons or flashers. Whatever your setup, make sure they're on before you start backing up. Aim to line the center of your truck's bed with the license plate of the vehicle you're towing. This helps keep it centered and avoids covering important tie-down points. And if you are watching this and need help with crucial licensing to operate tow trucks, we are here to help you. Check the link in the description below. Next, it's time to hit those switches. If your truck has airbags, make sure to dump them, especially when unloading, to avoid damage. Engage your PTO at low idle. Turning it on or off at high RPMs can be tough on the pump, so avoid that. Most trucks have idle controls linked to cruise control systems, so use those to get your idle up to about 1000 RPM, but never exceed 1200. Now drop the bed. Roll it back just enough to clear the locks, and then tilt it until it's close to the ground. If your vehicle is low, you might need some extra space to get underneath. This setup minimizes the amount of winch cable you need to pull out. Once the bed's in position, it's time to hook up. Pull out just enough winch cable to reach the vehicle without too much extra. Vehicles often have reinforced hook points, so find the right spots and hook your Mini J or similar tool. Winch until the cable is snug, which will prevent the vehicle from rolling back when you put it in neutral. With the vehicle in neutral, start winching it up slowly. Keep an eye on the winch. If it struggles, something might be caught, or the vehicle may not be in neutral. Decide on your securement points before pulling it all the way up. It's crucial to secure 4 points on the vehicle with chains or straps, depending on your setup. Once you've got everything lined up and secured, lower the RPMs, air the bags back up, and turn off your lights. When you reach your destination, simply reverse the process to unload. And there you have it. Loading and unloading a flatbed tow truck can be smooth and safe when you know the steps. If you need help with anything else, we are here to help you. This video is brought to you by FMCSA Registration.com, the #1 online service provider for the transportation industry. We help motor carriers, truck drivers, and brokers across the United States with FMCSA registration compliance. For all your needs, please call 866-477-0707 or visit us at FMCSA-registration.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more useful tips. Remember, we have lots of videos explaining all kinds of things, so subscribe or watch other videos on our channels. There are over 500 of them. Thank you for watching.